tying the boat up. Steve's going to take me to shore because there's only one kayak, and then we'll walk back to the cabin. Usually we will paddleboard, but we haven't blown them up yet, so we figured we'd do the trail the first time round. There goes Steve. Just dropped me off at the beach. Now we're just going to find the trail. To the cabin. This is the old trail. Good morning, world. It has stopped raining. Still a bit of wind, but the sun is even coming out. Look at that blue sky over there. It's our first day at Finn. We woke up this morning to this freaking awesome view. This is our little home for the next 6 weeks. We've got lots of sorting out to do and cleaning and tidying, but man, it feels good to be here. Here's Steve. Our little bed. Steve's tidying up. We built these little bunk beds probably the first time we were here. 2017, yeah. So we're just trying to have a bit of an organized kind of bedroom zone. This is like the work office, electronic zone. The big eyes for stands. And then the kitchen, which I just finished. Well, almost finished organizing this morning, so we're just working on that. Just getting ourselves set up, because when the materials arrive and we start building, that will be it. We will be busy.
So, first dilemma. We borrowed a board from a good friend of ours, JF. Thanks, JF. Truly appreciate it. And it turns out that the 12.6 Red doesn't have a standard fin box or a touring fin box.
No fit. I'm going for a swim. The sun is out, so there is no excuse. We just got back from paddle to check on the Anchorage. The wind is just starting to pick up, so it's perfect time. Okay, here goes.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
It is Friday, July 10th, day 4 on Finn.
Yeah.
Day 3.
Three?
7, 8, 9, day 4. So, probably kind of more of an admin day today because
it's raining
heavily.
a lot, and it's very windy. The wind is more so than the rain, because the wind is what has stopped the barge with all of the materials, the lumber and everything to build the extension that we've come here for, to be delayed. So that's coming from Prince Rupert, which is about probably the barge is about 6 hours away from the barge. And that has been delayed because of weather. It's a 20 to 30 knot southeast wind, and we are facing southeast, so that doesn't work too well for offloading tons and tons of lumber.
When you're in a remote location, boat access only, and so indoor plan today, a little bit outside venturing, but for the most part we're going to stay hunkered down.
Good morning. I really need to pee, but I don't wanna. It's very stormy today. The materials were meant to arrive today, but yeah, they're not going to.
Okay, I'm ready to go pee. Windy today. This is the way to the old bathroom, the outhouse. At least it's an outhouse with a view. And there's our little home.